we are doing a curtsy squat. I love these. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either do them one at a time, one side at a time, or you can do them alternating where you go from side to side. So we're gonna do 10 just on one side, and then we'll do 10 showing you the alternating variation. So start with your hands on your hips, or you can hold them at heart center. Feet slightly wider than shoulders with distance apart. I'm gonna have my hands on my hips for this first one. So we're gonna do a curtsy squat over to the left. So standing grounded on those 2 feet, you're gonna take that right foot back as far as you can. Make sure that you're sitting back so that chest is not coming forward over that knee and the knee's not going over the toe. So curtsy squat here, then use that front foot to come up and tap that right foot alongside to the starting position. Back as far as you can and then come back up. That's 2. Take it back as far as you can. Here's 3, back, 4, all the way back, 5, back, here's 6, core's engaged, all the way back. Here's 8, back to starting, 9, tap that foot, and 10 all the way back and back to starting. Great, so then what we do on one side, remember we have to do to the other side. So now, right foot is planted, we're gonna take that left foot, curtsy back as far as you can, so cross that foot back, take it down, and back to center. Here's 2, make sure you stay balanced, 3, and up, 4, beautiful, 5, nice and curtsy, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 all the way up. Now notice we're not going for speed on this squat variation. So you're really going for form, coming all the way back, making sure that that chest stays lifted. So a sloppy curtsy squat is where it looks like this, where you're coming forward and it just looks horrible. You want to make sure that you stay elevated, bring that foot back, chest stays lifted, okay? So you stay upright during the entire time. Next variation, we're gonna do alternating. So we're gonna curtsy from side to side. Hands on your hips, so we're gonna curtsy. So left foot's planted, right foot's gonna come back behind, take it down. Here's 1, curtsy other side. Here's 2. Feel it in that outer glute. Here's 3, beautiful, curtsy other 4, good. Here's 5, up, 6, up. Here's 7, good, 8, up, 9, up, and 10 all the way up. Great job. So give those a try. Not going for speed, going for form is number 1. Change it up. So maybe you do a handful where you're doing all to one side and then you try the alternating variation. Add those in today. Don't stop until it's done. Can't wait to see you guys next time.